A lone cicada struggles to lay its eggs, one of millions. It has hours, possibly minutes to live. You can hear the sound of the low whistling of the millions of cicadas in the background as it struggles. Not that saw, but the low whistle. "17 years will pass before the cicada returns again. A special cicada capturing device has been contrived for just this capture. When confronted, the cicada makes a distinct noise. It's highly conscious of its surroundings. There is no danger to humans with the cicada as it does not bite. It only lives for 3 weeks. Simply to mate, lay eggs, and die. As you see now, he is confronting Jock's hand and is climbing it. Hopefully Jock does not end up in the emergency room, dying of cicada poisoning after he realizes he does bite.